Papa Willie. Ryan, ride a Willie. One-year-old riding Willies on four-wheelers already.
I'm on my letters,
What? You didn't learn your letters already? You haven't been on there 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Where's the letter P? Tell me where P is.
Yeah.
Hit it. What's it say? Oh, is that a P? No. So here's another. Here, what I want you to learn is this first row here. This row right here. So learn that one. You need to pay attention to what that looks like and what it is. B, and you see the letter B? That's a B. And teach Ryan.
Ryan, this is E. This is that's E. That's a fish. That's a F. That's a fish.
Are you learning, Ryan? What do you want? You want to get up in the chair? Why don't you ride some wheelies on your four-wheeler?